Alright guys, today we are diving into a challenge that is both thrilling and eye-opening. Can MrBeast, the king of extreme challenges, survive an entire week without technology? Now, let's think about what that really means. MrBeast is known for his epic videos, incredible giveaways, and connecting with millions through screens. But what happens when you strip all the way? No phones, no cameras, no internet, just him and just him and the world around him. As you know guys, this is my fifth video of today on 5 December. Both date and the video parts are same, on 2024. Let's start. So just imagine this. As you know, this is a new adventure story. Okay, so just imagine this. First off, this challenge forces us to reflect on our own lives. How often do we rely on technology? For MrBeast, it's a lifeline for creativity and connection. But without it, he and have to tap into his resourcefulness and creativity in a whole new way. Imagine him learning to cook over a fire or navigating the outdoors without GPS. It's not just about survival; it's about rediscovering the simple joys of life throughout the week. MrBeast would likely face struggles, boredom, frustration, maybe even long lines. But here is where the lesson comes in. Disconnecting from technology can lead to deeper connections with ourselves and the world around us. It's about embracing nature, engaging in face-to-face conversations, and finding joy in simplicity. As he navigates this tech-free existence, he might learn valuable lessons about gratitude and mindfulness, appreciating the little things we often overlook in our digital lives. So, could MrBeast survive? Absolutely, but more importantly, he and emerge with a newfound perspective on life and what truly matters. In a world dominated by screens, let's take a page from his book. Sometimes stepping back from technology can lead to the most meaningful experiences of all. What do you think? Would you take on this challenge? Let me know in the comments, okay? Bye for now.